Most people think money stress is about numbers, but it's not. It's about what happens inside your head when you don't feel safe financially. It's the 2 a.m. ceiling staring. It's replaying worst-case scenarios. It's hearing a strange noise in your car and instantly thinking, please don't be expensive, please don't be expensive. It's sitting at work, nodding at your boss, but your mind is somewhere else, running mental math. Can I cover rent, groceries, and that bill I forgot about? You're not thinking about money. You're thinking about what happens if it runs out. And that fear follows you everywhere. In the grocery store aisle, when friends invite you out, when you check your bank app, when you hear about inflation, layoffs, or rising prices. It's not physical exhaustion. It's mental exhaustion. Your brain never turns off because it's trying to solve a problem that feels impossible. Most people call this not having enough money. But that's only part of it. The real problem is that when you don't have money, you also don't have peace. No calm, no control, no confidence. And until you fix that, even a bigger paycheck won't save you.
The truth about financial peace. Financial peace is not being rich. It's not a luxury car. It's not early retirement or $1 million. I've seen people making 6 figures who still panic every time their phone buzzes. And I've seen people making much less who sleep like babies. The difference is not income. The difference is financial calm. Financial calm is knowing if something breaks tomorrow, I'll be okay. It's walking into a store without fear. It's making choices because you want to, not because you have to. It's waking up without immediately checking your bank balance. And here's the good news. You don't need to be rich to build it. You just need to build it in the right order.
Most people think the first step is earning more. It's not. The first step is creating distance between you and disaster. I call it a calm buffer. It's just a small emergency fund, but the effect is huge. Even $1,000 changes how your brain works, not because it's a lot, but because it represents options. When your car needs $400 in repairs, you don't panic, you don't spiral, you don't go into debt. You fix it. It's annoying, but it's not a crisis. That's what peace feels like. When you reach 3 months of expenses saved, something deeper shifts. Your brain stops living in survival mode. You start thinking beyond, how do I get through this month? That's where growth begins. Block 2. Control, not obsession. Control does not mean tracking every penny like a maniac. That's anxiety. Real control is simply knowing where your money goes. Most people don't. They just see money vanish and feel confused. So here's the reset. Track your spending for 1 month. Not to judge, not to feel guilty, just to see. You'll probably find subscriptions you forgot about, money leaking into convenience spending, small habits that silently drain your paycheck. Once you see it, you get to choose. That choice is power. Power creates calm. Block number 3. Destroy the debt that destroys peace. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest debt is a mental prison. Credit cards don't just cost money, they steal your peace. Interest compounds, balances grow, minimum payments barely help. It's a slow financial suffocation. Paying off high-interest debt isn't just a money move, it's a mental freedom move. People say it feels like taking off a heavy backpack they forgot they were wearing. Block 4. Small wins equal big confidence. Every small win rewires how you see yourself. Saving your first $1,000, paying off 1 card, freeing up $200 a month. You stop feeling helpless. You stop feeling stuck. You start seeing yourself as someone who gets things done. That confidence spills into your career, relationships, and decisions. Momentum builds, and momentum changes lives. Block 5.
The psychology shift. The numbers matter, but your mindset matters more. Scarcity thinking says, there's never enough. Saving is deprivation. Investing is too risky. Calm thinking says, money gives me options. Saving is power. Investing is freedom. Your mindset shapes your actions. Your actions shape your results. Change the mindset, and everything else follows.
The simple path. Build a calm buffer. Track spending. Eliminate high-interest debt. Win small. Shift your mindset. That's it. It's not flashy, it's not viral, but it works. And once your foundation is solid, you can grow from peace instead of panic. That's real financial calm.